In this video, we're going to make the 74LS04N IC work, otherwise known as the NOT gate. And by using our previous experimenter board, this is what it looks like. Here, up close. Now, and this is the IC. Now, let's make it work. First, grab your AWG22 solid wire and connect it to your IC just like this. So this is your input number 1 and connect it to the input 4. After that, get another one and cut it like this. Small. And put it right beside the input 1 and put it to the input 2. Now on your output in this input 2, make another connection and connect it to your input 3. And then on the top, connect your output and connect your output to the input for your input number 4. Then lastly, to your output, connect it to your last input. Now let's get connected to the dip switch and LED by using jumper wires. From your input dip switch, put one in here, jumper wire, and the other side put it in your first input. Just like so. Now your first LED must be connected to your first input. Then in your second LED is for the first input, for the first output of your first input. Then on the third LED is for the third output of your third input. Then fourth on your fourth input, in your fourth output, then fifth is for the last output. Just like this. Okay. Now let's make it on. Now, as you can see, it is a NOT gate. Since it inputs 0, LED 2 and LED 5 are on. If we turn this on, should be the opposite. Now the input in our dip switch is 1. So LED 1, LED 3, and 4 should turn on. For that is the logic of the NOT gate. And that's all. Thank you.